Dumpster Rental, Heiskell, Tennessee. If you're looking for dependable dumpster rental in Heiskell, Tennessee, Coker Waste Solutions has you covered. We cater to a variety of projects, from home cleanouts and landscaping to construction and commercial renovations. Our selection of dumpster sizes ensures that you'll find the right fit for your specific waste disposal requirements, making it easy to manage projects of any scale. Coker Waste Solutions prides itself on delivering prompt and reliable service. We provide timely drop-offs and pickups to keep your project on track, and our straightforward pricing structure eliminates surprises. We believe in transparent, flat-rate pricing that covers delivery, pickup, and disposal, so you can plan your budget with confidence. We're committed to environmentally responsible waste management. Our team ensures that all waste is disposed of properly, with an emphasis on recycling and minimizing landfill impact. Whether you need a dumpster for a few days or longer, our flexible rental terms allow you to work at your own pace. Serving residential, commercial, and industrial clients in Heiskell, Coker Waste Solutions aims to make the dumpster rental process simple and convenient. Call us today at 865-320-0018 for reliable waste solutions tailored to your needs.